CashGold24k encourage everyone to save in Cash Gold. Cash Gold. Exchange the value in cash that has no value for money that does have value and grows over time and has real true. Will never be zero. This will never be zero. This has the highest potential to have zero. It's closer to zero than ever. Check out the monetary system. So basically we exchange this for this. This for this. Fiat assets. Fiat assets. Which one is better? Be smart with your financial future. Don't throw it all away. It might go up in flames. CashGold24k signing off. Everyone have a great one.